Despite being blind since birth, sound recordist Juan Pablo Culasso loves to travel. Now I'm going with him to film a very special mission.
La primera vez que escuché hablar de la Antártida.
The first time I ever heard about Antarctica was when I was 12 years old. I saw a documentary which showed the expedition of Scott and Edmondson. I said to myself that one day I would go to that continent.
Yo me dije a mí mismo que un día iba a estar en aquel continente.
No creo ser un artista.
I don't think I'm an artist in the literal term. For me, the artist is the natural thing, and I capture this moment.
Capturo esos momentos.
Behind me is Maxwell Bay, and this is King George Island on the Western Peninsula. And it's here that Juan Pablo Culasso is undertaking his pioneering work to capture the sounds of Antarctica.
Mi misión en realidad
My mission is for
es
these
que esos
invisible
sonidos
sounds to become
invisibles
visible
sean
for
visibles
everyone.
para todos.